I think everyone always wants to smell good, but don't know how to go about it. Smelling good doesn't mean you need to break the bank. Smelling good doesn't necessarily mean you have to use all your fortune just to acquire products that are going to make you smell good. On today's video, I'm going to give you some simple hacks, some simple tricks on how you can be able to smell good effortlessly. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. And if you are an old subscriber, welcome back to another video. On this video, I'll be giving you simple tips and tricks on how you can be able to smell good effortlessly. If you're interested in this kind of video, just keep on watching. Without so much wasting of your time, let's get into the video. The first point you want to put into consideration if you always want to smell good is to always have your bath. Shower every day. Make sure, try as much as you can, no matter where you are, no matter the position where you are. Make sure you shower every day. Showering every day helps make your body look fresh, makes you look smell good, just make you clean out all those dirt on your body. Okay, so you want to make sure you shower every day. And now let's move to the next point. The next point we have is to wear deodorant. Whether you are sweating, I know some people have the conception that deodorants are only for people who sweat a lot. No, deodorants are for everyone, so always make sure you wear a deodorant. Wearing deodorant makes you smell good, makes you look fresh all the time. Avoid those sweat, because you know sometimes when you sweat a lot, it's true, sweat produces some ugly scent on your body, so you want to use deodorant. But even if you're not the sweaty type, always make sure you apply deodorant on your body. These deodorants will help to produce some good sweet smell, and also you want to go in for good deodorants with good smell. This is going to help you always smell good. And now let's move to the next one. The next point we have on our list is to brush and floss your teeth every day. Brushing, I don't know, at this point, are we supposed to even tell someone to brush? You always have to brush. Brushing helps your mouth to smell good, smell fresh. You don't want a situation whereby you are in a gathering and you just can't open your mouth, because if you open your mouth, everybody is going to run away. You don't want that situation, right? So make sure you always brush your teeth every day. If you can brush twice a day, it's perfect, or after a meal. After a meal is even the best one. Once you have a meal, you brush, so that it's going to take off all those particles in your mouth. Those particles are the ones that produce those mouth odors, so you want to make sure you always brush and take off all those particles from your mouth. And also, brushing helps your mouth to be fresh. It helps your teeth to be clean. You don't want dirty teeth, right? So always make sure you brush every day. And make sure while brushing, you brush your tongue, because the tongue also plays a vital role in producing mouth odor, so you want to make sure you clean those tongues very well. Now let's move to the next one. The next point we have on our list is apply Vaseline before you spray your perfume. This is a beauty hack that has been helping me recently. I just discovered this hack recently. Before you spray your perfume, make sure you just apply it. If you're spraying your perfume here, just make sure you apply Vaseline and then you spray. Once you apply Vaseline and spray your perfume, then it's going to last for long. Vaseline helps to hold that scent, that's your perfume scent. So you'll notice once you apply your perfume, even if it doesn't last that long, you'll notice after you apply it on the Vaseline, it's going to last for a very long period of time. So you want to try those hacks. Before applying your perfume, make sure you apply Vaseline and apply it. It's going to make your perfume last longer on your body. Now let's move to the next one. The next point we have on our list is mint gum. Mint gum always helps to freshen your breath, so you always want to have mint gum so that it can help freshen your breath. It can make you feel comfortable while talking to others. You don't want a situation whereby you're talking to people and you're talking as if you don't want to open your mouth because there is an odor that is coming out. Sometimes it's not even that you have mouth odor. Sometimes when you just close your mouth for a long period of time, you notice once you open your mouth to talk, it produces some odor, right? So you want to always use mint gum, especially if you're in a situation whereby you're not going to be talking. Maybe you're at work, and at work you don't talk that much, right? Because there are some jobs that you don't need to, or you don't talk, you just need to do your work quietly in your computer, and that is it. So if you're doing that kind of a work, or you're in a situation, or you are in a situation whereby you're not going to talk for long, just make sure you have your mint gum on, so that once you open your mouth, it's going to be fresh breath and not those you understand. So let's move to the next one. The next point we have on our list is to drink a lot of water. Drinking water has a whole lot of benefits. Drinking lots of water helps your skin to glow. It helps with weight loss. Drinking water has a whole lot of health benefits, so you want to make sure you drink a whole lot of water if you want to smell good. Now let's move to the next one. The next one we have on our list is to always apply lotion after shower. There are some people who tell you they have oily skin, so once they shower they just stay like that, especially if you're not going out. No, that is very wrong. Make sure you apply a lotion. I made a video on how you can be able to choose your body lotion based on your skin type. So if you haven't watched that video, just go down my channel and check the video on skincare. Okay, you're going to get every information on that video. Always make sure you apply lotion after shower. This lotion on their own, they have scent, although the scent is not that strong, but they have scent. So applying a lotion on your body will help you smell fresh and good always. Now we're going to move to the next point. The next point we have is to use shampoo, lotion, and your soap that has the same scent. You don't want to use a shampoo on your hair with a different scent. Use your body lotion, different scent. Use your soap, different scent. This is just going to be a mixture or a combination of scents, and at the end of the day, might just produce something that it might not be pleasing. So you want to always try as much as you can to use shampoo, body lotion, and your soap at the same scent. This is going to help with your scent. It's going to help you smell good. The next one we have on our list is to use hand sanitizers. Hand sanitizers help you clean your hands. It helps you sanitize all those germs, bacteria on your hands. So you always want to use a hand sanitizer, especially in a place where there is no water. Even if there is water, sometimes those water are not very clean. So you want to use a hand sanitizer to sanitize your hand and make sure you are okay. Now let's move to the last one. I think this is the 10th point. I've lost calculation, but I think this is the last one we have on our list. If it is the last one, then obviously it's the 10th one. The 10th point we have on our list is to spray perfume. Invest in good perfume. You want to invest in good, sweet, small perfume, not a very harsh perfume that once you pass, even if you get at the junction, people will still know that, hey, somebody passed here. Invest in a good, soft, smelling, nice, elegant, which word should I use again on that perfume? You want to invest in some good quality perfume. This is going to help you always smell good. Did you find this tip interesting? Did you find these tips helpful? If you did, do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to comment. Do not forget to share. That is it for this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.